Hello folks, we're back for part 16, and in my opinion this is where the magic happens. So let's get started, and I'll screen share with you what we've done so far. And so far this is our image, and we have two essential steps left. I'm not going to apply any sharpening, I don't think, at this stage. There's a slim chance after we apply the luminance layer that we might do some unsharp mask, or run the multilinear transform tool where we only affect the second and third layer, but we'll see. Right now though, I feel like this is where the magic happens. I tell folks, don't be too concerned when you're at this stage if you feel like you've lost a lot of your nebulosity, because as far as this image is concerned, you have, but your luminance layer is filled with nebulosity from corner to corner. And so let's bring up our RGB combination tool. It's back towards the beginning, and we have a luminance layer, and we're going to gray out the RGB because we already have an RGB image. And so we want to click on chrominance noise reduction, and we're going to change the saturation to about 450, and we're going to change the lightness to about 450. This actually adds lightness and it adds saturation. It looks like we're moving in a reduction direction, but we're actually adding. I think I'm going to bring the saturation back to about 470. Okay, all we do is take the triangle and drop it on our image, and did I do it? Did it that time. And we'll wait for the magic. Okay, voila. Probably going to redo that and put the lightness back to 500. In fact, let's do that. And so we're going to undo this. And we're going to move the lightness back to 500, maybe to 510, and so we're ready to go. So we're going to apply it again. Okay, I think that turned out a little better. I might redo it again and just bring it back down to 500, but in fact I am. I should have left it alone. Maybe 490, 480. Let's go 490. Okay, I'm going to put this back to where it was, and we're going to apply this again. Okay, I think we're going to leave it right there, and we'll close this out. We have combined our luminance layer to our RGB, and so we're going to call this, we're going to rename this, and we're going to put plus loom. Alrighty, we're going to make a copy. We're going to put this over here, And with this copy, we're going to create a new star mask, because we've already reduced the stars somewhat, and the star mask we had when we did the deconvolution is different than our star field is now. And so we're going to create a new star mask, apply it, and then we're going to run a noise reduction filter. And I don't think we'll run any other curves, but after having run that noise reduction filter on everything but the stars, we're going to call this image complete. So I'll be back with you, clear skies, and we'll take care of the noise reduction.